Make a great choice today with the 2017 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive, universal garage door opener, cloth seat trim, tires, front all-terrain, tires, rear all-terrain. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.